say Isok and blow out the candles. Make you feel a lot better from your north to your south. Tickle like a feather on your nose. Sneeze the dentures out of your mouth. But if your choppers are fake, at least your soul is real. Don't corn on the cob just to have a good meal. Like the light of the moon reflects the light of the day. Just repeat after me. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay is good, it don't imply that I suck. Like a drunken sucking knuckle getting hit by a truck. But he curse out your face while you stand out in the field. He's not really what he says, so here's the real deal. No need to lower standards like a failing hardware store. From the highs to the lows, they won't be open anymore. But there's something you can do to keep that smile in your bed. Tickle like pepper in your nose, sneeze that wig off of your head. And if your hair isn't real, make sure your heart is full. Let your cranium shine, because bald is beautiful. If the woman, man, or anybody in your life loves you night and day, it's okay, it's okay. Stress in your head is far too much to handle. Just say Isok and blow out the candles. Make you feel a lot better from your north to your south. Tickle like a feather on your nose. Sneeze the dentures out of your mouth. If your choppers are fake, at least your soul is real. Don't corn on the cob